slightly Caribbean kitchen. We're gonna be frying up gator tail. I'm excited! So, for those of you who don't know, I am raised in Georgia, so fully country, with Cuban and Jamaican roots. Shout out to my family in Cuba. So, in celebration of all things me, I'm going to go for the frying the alligator tail. We're gonna see how it turns out, guys. Just gonna see how it turns out. Pretty excited. Send pictures soon. Shout out to the nails lady. I'm gonna put her tag up there. Just having my nails done while doing this makes me so much happier. I don't know why. It's kind of unrelated. Thanks, girl. So one of the first things I'm doing is heating up my oil. I'm using regular vegetable oil. I keep in this fancy little container. I don't know. I was gonna use Crisco, but I think I'm just gonna pan fry them. I don't know why I decided I want to do a cooking video today. It was time for me to post something, and this is what I'm doing today, so that's what happened. Yes. So that's the first step. Using the cast iron pan, homage to my Georgia folks. It's not seasoned probably like it should be, but it's pretty heavy duty, so that should work. Gonna heat up the oil. Then I have some cornmeal. There's actually maseca. Shout out to my Mexican family. Using that as my base. I season the eggs only slightly with like sea salt because I already have seasoned the gator like for 3 days, basically because I forgot in my fridge. So we'll see how this turns out. Back to you. Back to our sponsors. Well, I don't have a sponsor. Alright, so I think the oil is hot now. So the first step is to put the shrimp and gator mix in the egg. Then you're going to just lightly dust it. Okay, if you're doing it like I do. And then you lay it in the oil. Woohoo! Who else is like scared of oil? I'm like, I hate the idea of getting hot. Okay, turning on the fan, which is like legit the only reason I think I can put it on this channel. Because I'm using the fan that I'll reference down below in another video I did when I mounted this fan, which is really good when you're frying. Probably open a window too. So I'll put in the other alligator. I'm gonna lower the heat of the oil. I did get hot. Caramba. So, because I don't want it to get, they said like it cooks very easily, you know, so you don't want it to be overcooked. That's not cool. And the shrimp is basically already cooked anyway. It's just like cooking the fried part. I think I need another fork. Oh, and I could probably use a fork. Flip it over. Pan seared. Yeah, the oil's too high. Okay, turn the oil down. And I'm just going with the light brown color on either side. So, dipping it in the egg. Then the cornmeal mixture. Light frying. And repeat. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and get some paper towels ready. I like my stuff not to be saturated with oil, so I usually put it in another pan there. So I think what we're going to call this is like tiny house living segment. Maybe that's the way we'll rationalize it being on this channel. So this is how you fry in a tiny house and make sure the whole house doesn't smell like fried stuff afterwards. Ooh, another point. I'm going to close the door to my bedroom so that everything doesn't smell all fried in there. And I'm opening some windows. You're just going to have to trust me on that one. Alright, so let me get another fork. Take them out. Let me flip it one more time. Sounds good. We shall see, guys. I've never done it before, and I only halfway follow the directions on Pinterest. A little shortcut-ish, but you know, it'll be alright. Alright, so in my experience, when the oil kind of like starts not making so much noise, it means that whatever is in there is cooked now. Once again, I'm not super experienced in that. Okay. Let's bring it. Okay, pop it. Oh, got it. Alright guys, I'll be back to you with the final photos. Exciting. Thanks for joining me. Alright, so these are the final stages. We fried up quite a few. Look at that. I think they're more like alligator nuggets. I don't know, that was my best crocodile Dundee or whatever. I say, that's good stuff, guys. That's good stuff. And shout out to my my country living old cast iron pan man. The thing almost killed me, of course, because it's always hot. You gotta remember that. It didn't stay hot. Thank you, Auntie Evelina. But yeah, I like it, guys. What's it taste like? I mean, it really doesn't. It's pretty neutral. It kind of tastes like chicken nuggets, honestly. If I didn't know it was gator, I wouldn't know. So I'm frying it just to it's like a light brown, like that. And that seems to be working. Then I've got some layers of like napkins down here, so take off some of that excessive oil because I don't like my stuff to be greasy. And yeah, I think it's pretty successful. Tiny house, cooking and living. Guys, you don't have a lot of space, but it still works. All right, talk to you later.